this. Oh, I have a VIP, by the way, guys. VIP tickets, please. Not much days left until my things are over. Okay. I'm just gonna say hi. A lot of you guys call me, like, a lot of people call me that I'm a hacker, but that's just a rumor, and I'm not a hacker. I actually love giving people VIPs. And yeah, please don't call me hacker. I don't think that's very nice, so. Oh my god, so yeah, and today we are, I'm going to give you facts about how to get star coins, because as you can see, guys, I only have 4 star coins. And that's really bad. Okay, so, first, you go to high scores. No, wait, okay. Okay, you go into high scores, and you go to rooms, and, you go to, sorry, just loading. And you go to all rooms, and you go into one of them rooms, and click on the packs, and, wait a minute, okay, my computer's really bad, so I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, then you go in, and then you just click on the bunch of packs that she has, and yeah, packs give you star coins, so. And I'll be giving away a VIP to some of you, so, to be in the competition, all you have to do is subscribe, like this video, turn the notifications on, comment down below the creation squad, yeah, and I might be sending you the and maybe username and, yeah, username, and message me on user and server. So, okay, they're the packs, you just, like, click on them, and, oh no, it's so laggy. Okay, I'm so sorry, guys. Wait, they give you star coins? And, like, I am so poor, like, I am just so poor, I am broke. Okay, we got 42 star coins, that's pretty good, right? So if you keep doing the star coins, I'll just keep going to other rooms and going to star coins, so you don't want to watch that doing it, so be right back. Okay, so as you guys can see, I only been in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rooms, and I already got 224 star coins, so that's how to get 3 star coins, and I don't know if this is a glitch or not, but, I don't know, let's just, like, go, okay. When you're, like, trying to do the right thing out of the designs, you rate it right? Okay, right, so when you go on rating, like, you it'll show it like this, the way to get everything right is just, like, spam it, and then, like, until, like, MC gets the right one, like, it always gets you the right one. See, look. Oh, okay. Yay, got it, okay. If you just, like, spam it, and then, yeah. And then it'll get it correct and stuff like that. I don't know, like, it sometimes doesn't work, and it sometimes works, but it works more on the computer than the, it works better on your phone than your computer, I have no idea why. Oh, and there was, like, rumors about getting free, clothes when you level up. I'll make a video about that, like, after this. Oh no, tomorrow I'll make it. See, you get everything correct, and yeah, that's another way to get star coins, so I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you guys next time.